Hey Sugar Snaps, welcome back to the channel. It has been a few weeks. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to make this video to share a big announcement, which is that I'm going to be stepping away from the Textile Indie YouTube channel for several months, probably until the beginning of 2026. So I won't be posting here. There are a couple reasons for that, one of which is that we're actually starting a new YouTube channel called Textile Indie Basketry, where we are going to focus on rattan basketry and pine needle basketry and dabble in other basket crafts. So we'll be sharing tutorials, projects, inspiration, and lots of other basket-based content on the Textile Indie Basketry channel. You can find a link to that in the description below. We would love for you to go over there and subscribe to support that channel if you're interested in basketry content. We're also going to continue with our Textile Indie Collective membership. So if you're already a member, no worries. We're going to continue that. We'll be putting new content in regularly. And if you don't know about the Textile Indie Collective, it's a membership for fiber and textile art dabblers. Those of you who want to try all of the things and explore fiber craft, whether you want to learn how to spin or wet felt, dabble in tapestry weaving, natural dyeing. We have a couple of basketry tutorials in there, including the flower gathering basket. So lots of fun stuff. You can find more information using the link in the description below. So we're going to continue that. And we're just taking a season off of the Textile Indie YouTube channel to be able to focus our energies in other places. We are intending to go back, so this isn't a goodbye forever. This is just a see you later, here at least. And we look forward to, or hope you join us on the Textile Indie Basketry channel and in the collective. I also wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you who have supported me over the years. I've been on the Textile Indie channel for multiple years now. It's been a long project, and I am very grateful for your support, your encouragement, your great comments and questions, and it's been a pleasure getting to share my projects and experience with you and learn from your comments and your experience. So thank you for being involved. Thank you for supporting my work, and I really appreciate the community here and the camaraderie that we've developed over the years in the fiber art space. So thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting, liking, and subscribing, and I hope to see you in the Textile Indie Basketry channel and on this channel once we reboot it in the beginning of next year. Check the description below for links to the Textile Indie Basketry YouTube channel as well as the Textile Indie Collective if you're interested in either of those. And until a later date, happy making, enjoy your fiber arts journey, and I look forward to seeing you again in the distant future. Happy making. Bye.